Growing up, my mother was the first education coordinator for the Polynesian Voyaging Society, which was actually housed at the Bishop Museum. After school, I would walk over to the planetarium and I would watch the show. I just thought what an amazing thing to be so close to the stars. They have been there through time for generations. They can actually show you the path home.
At Hawaiian Airlines, we get to work on so many fun projects, but this is really a special one to us. We really look forward when we get to work on our soft goods, which are anything from our amenity kits to our pillows and blankets in the cabin. It's really a way that we're able to feature local designers and add some elegant touches into our guest experience. We felt like we needed to partner with some sort of home designer, someone who could make that cabin and that seat really feel like a home to our guests while they're on board.
At NOHO Home, we provide Hawaiian-inspired luxury home decor. The sense of home doesn't always have to be four walls. Really, home is the intersection of love, security, peace of mind, and that sentiment is what we want to carry throughout the world.
Leihōkū means lay of stars, and so we wanted sort of this idea of lay, this idea of navigation and stars and wayfinding, and she took it and ran with it from there. I remember when she was starting to pitch some ideas to us about design, she had showed us this sort of circular pattern that just seemed a little abstract, but she had explained to us that when you photograph a star, this is sort of the star trails that you see. And I absolutely fell in love with that part of the design.
My design process is ever-changing. First, I go through the entire experience. What do I want to feel? And with those sentiments, I'll start to build out designs and patterns. One of the things that I really wanted to share was that we would celebrate what we find in nature. We then layer in color and texture because that's a huge part of what the experience is. With our Hawaiian Airlines collaboration, there was everything from the shoreline to the horizon and up to the zenith, and that was a really exciting component to the project.
The timing of this project was really ideal. The new program starts right around when we're introducing our 787 to our fleet. In our premium cabin, we are introducing the Leihōkū Suite, which is the best seat we've ever had on any of our aircraft before. We wanted it to feel like a little home away from home while you're traveling with us. And our goal with this partnership with NOHO Home was not just to create a beautiful in-cabin experience. We wanted to extend the partnership to create a retail collection as well. And so Jaylene and her team created this beautiful retail collection that is inspired by our Leihōkū Suite.
I am infinitely excited about this opportunity. As a Native Hawaiian, I am able to share my culture from my own context, my own family, my own ohana, my own ike, my own manao. And people throughout the globe will see that, they will feel it, they will touch it, they will experience it in their own unique way.